Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a page or a post to your website with Dataczar Connect. So first of all, let's go to Dataczar.com. You can sign up here. We already have an account. We're going to log in. Let's get our username and our password. Great. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. We're going to get rid of that. Go full screen. So from dashboard, to work on your website, to add a page or a post, click on the website button on the main menu. And you have posts for adding or editing a post, adding or editing a page, and templates. You can add a page template. We're going to use those three. There's also an appearance button, which is covered in the first featured tutorial video. There's a settings button and an analytics, but you can go over these if you go to the help site and click on featured tutorial videos. So first of all, if you have a domain, your domain's going to show right here. This is the public preview URL. This is the website we've been working on. Let's go ahead and click on it. And this is our AAA outdoor scenes. And when you register your website, you're going to have a welcome post here, and this will be blank. And then also we have a gallery and a waterfall. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple pages. We're going to add a blogs and a gallery page, and then we're going to add a post. So let's go back to Connect. And first of all, let's go to Pages. And to add a page, you click on the Pages button, and then you're going to click on Create Blank Page right here. And the title, Pastures. And we're going to go down here, and then this is the editing box, and this is your toolbar right here. So we're going to click inside the big editing box, and let me just grab some words here. We're going to type in, welcome to our pasture scenes. So that's bold already. Let's go ahead and center that, and let's make it 18 point. And we could add some color here, but we're not going to do that right now. Well, I guess we will. Let's go ahead and add green. And let's drop this down. Let's get this back to, oops, that's a custom color. Let's get this back to black. Okay, and then what we're going to do for our pastures is we're going to use this 2-column template right here. And the reason that you want to use the 2-column template is because when you view it on a cell phone, these images will drop one below another. So we'll get rid of these filler words. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Let me just do undo right here. Just going to back these out. And we're going to say beautiful, beautiful cow. And right here, we're going to back these out, and another great looking cow on today's hike. Okay, so we have some words there. So first of all, let's choose a featured image. So up here, we're going to add a featured image to the page. We're going to click Choose. And we're going to go ahead and upload this. So we're going to choose File. And we're going to go here. And then we're going to go to here. Here. We're going to use this cow picture right here. So there's the featured image right there that we added right under the title. And then we're going to add an image right here. And then, so we clicked on the image right here, the blank image, and then there's an Insert Edit Image icon right here. So let's go ahead and click in that, click the up arrow. And this time, well, we're going to go to Choose Files again. And we're going to use this one here. And save. And then one more. So we click on the picture, then we click on the Insert Edit Image icon, we click on the up arrow, choose Files, and we're going to use this one right here, and save. Okay, So this one's a little bigger. So why don't we shrink it down? We just drag the corner, shrink it, make it the same size as the other picture. And I think that looks really good. So we just created our pasture scenes. We're going to get rid of this. There's this little above and below when you enter the two column template that you can remove. So let's just bring that up there right there, and let's get rid of this too, the bottom little line, and we're just going to backspace this up a little bit. Okay, so then we're going to hit create. So if you need to update, you always hit update, but we created a page, so we're going to click create. And if we go back to pages, you'll see that we created our pastures page. So the next page we're going to create is a blog, and this time we're going to go to templates right here. And we're just going to click on the plus sign on the blog to create the page. And you'll notice that posts are included. Because it's a blog, this is checked. So if you don't want blogs or posts included in your page, make sure that's unchecked. So the title is blog, and let's go ahead and choose a featured image. Choose, and this time we're going to go to My Images because we have some images preloaded. And what we're going to use here is this nice oak tree. So there's our featured image that we just added. And then this is an image here. Welcome to our blog. This is an image here. Let's go ahead and let's replace this. Let's go with, we'll go back to My Images. Let's go with this picture of the hawk. And then we're going to take this, welcome to our blog. No, we'll just leave it right there. Or, let's see here. If I can bring this down just a little bit. Yeah, okay. Let's move this up. Control X. Move this here. Control V. Welcome to our blog. I think it looks great. So we're going to hit create. Okay, so we just created a blog page that includes blog posts. So we'll go back to pages. And now we're going to create a post right here. So we have the back on the website button. We're going to click on post to create the post. We already have 2 posts on our website, and they're going to show on our blog page because we have the posts checked. So now we're going to create new, and then title. We're going to use our latest beautiful rainbows, and let's go ahead and do a featured image. And again, we already have it preloaded, so we're going to go to My Images. We're going to use this nice big image right there. And let's go down to the editing box. This is the editing box. It's exactly the same as editing a page. So we're editing a post. It has the 2 column and the 3 column, the image right, image left, all that stuff, and all the tools here. If you want to add a video, by the way, insert edit media here. If you want to link something to a website, there's an insert edit link. You can link a picture or link words. So let's go ahead and put our cursor inside of here. And let's go ahead and put in today while hiking. Let's center that. Let's go ahead and make it, say, 18 point, and enter. And let's go ahead and insert another image. So we have the insert edit image icon just like we did on the page. Everything works exactly the same. Hit the up arrow. We're going to go to My Images, and we're going to choose this one here. Now there's also a free image search, so make sure if you don't have an image and you don't have one to upload, you can go to free images. But we're going to go ahead and use this one right here. So click Use, click Save, and that looks pretty good. I think we're going to maybe just stretch it out a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And there it is. We just created a post, and we're going to click the Create button. All right. So go back to posts, and you'll see there's the post that we just created. So we created 2 pages here, pastures and blog, and created a post. So let's go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website, and we're going to do a hard reset. We're going to refresh the screen, Control F5, and there it is. We have our pastures page and our blog page. Let's look at the pastures page first. And there's the cow pictures that we entered. Welcome to our pasture scenes. There's the featured image. There's the 2 other images of the cows that we added. And so there, we added the pastures page. Let's go to our blog. This is the blog that we entered. Welcome to our blog. We have the featured image of the oak tree here. Then we have the hawk, and then we have our posts. So we have our latest beautiful rainbows. We have El Cajon Mountain. We have our welcome post. These 2 were preloaded. This is the post we just created. We're going to click on Read More. And there it is. Today while hiking. There's our post. We can go back to home here. Go back to our blog page here. I suppose we didn't really need to add this additional image. We could have just done welcome to our blog without this additional image. But I think it looks really good. So let's go back to Connect. And one thing, make sure that you go to the Help button. I referenced this earlier. And make sure you watch our featured tutorial videos. There's some of the editing tools that we didn't cover. You can go to the featured tutorial videos, and you can watch this first video, How to Start Building Your Website, 3rd edition. It's very informative. When this gets updated, it'll say 4th edition. But this is all up to date, and it's a great video to watch as well. So let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add a page or a post to your website with Dataczar Connect.